Okay, Pravin, I'm going to now address some of the issues or queries you brought up on your last email. First being multiple pages inside a post. So, okay, I'm going to log in. It's back on the website as always. Go down to admin login. Now, I've got it saved. So the username is admin and the password, as we keep discussing, is prk prk 2013 events. It's already saved, so I'll log it in. What I'm going to do now is show you multiple ways of actually doing a new post. You don't always have to be in a dashboard. I don't know if you've gone into this too much, but what you can do is you can actually, once logged in, click on that button. It takes you back to the website so you can see. You can actually go to here, go to add new, and go down to posts. So you can do it from the home page. The the dashboard's a bit ugly looking, so you can do it from here. Go to new post. Now what I'm going to show you is putting 2 and 3 flyers into the same post. So I'm going to put 2 or 3 as the title. It's very simple. You'd be surprised. You add a flyer. We're going to add media. Brings up our media library with all the previous uploaded flyers and adverts and artworks. What you want to do is upload file and locate where your flyers are kept. There's one of 2 ways of doing this. You can either select one at a time, choose, go to OK, let it upload. Sorry, my wireless is a bit slow today. There we go. I picked any old image at the moment, but I will delete them afterwards because they're not appropriate for the website. And you've got to make sure, as discussed before, make sure alignment is on none, link to is on none, and size is on. It should be on medium. Now, if the artworks are shorter than 600 in width, you have to put it on full size. But you also got to get to 600. So you just medium, go into insert posts, and it's there. That's one. Now, if you want to put multiple pages in, you simply go back to add media again. Go to upload files, select files. And this is the other way of doing it. You could do one at a time, or you can just do this. Select one, hold shift, or actually no, select one, hold the control key, and then click on multiple ones. In the folder they all should be sitting in. Push choose, and now it will do a multiple upload. And what that has done is it has selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images. If you look at the bottom here, you can see that 5 are selected as it says. Now, if you're doing one at a time, now if I go to insert post, just remember again to actually no, that's what I do. You can upload multiple. That's the best thing to do. So close that once you're done by pushing the X. Now go to add media again, and you can one at a time. Make sure they're on medium. See the rings on medium. The frames on medium. Again, align none, link to none. This picture of Yates's is also on medium. And this Sega logo is also on medium. As I said, if the pictures are bigger than 600, it will shrink it down. You've got to make sure you put it on medium. If they're smaller, you've got to put it on full size. You can experiment with that, but as I said, you can preview any post before you actually publish it, so shouldn't be a problem. What you want to do is either insert into post one at a time. As you can see now, because it's in code, that is now 2 images. Hit return again, go to add media again, pick the next one, insert into post again. So this would be systematically page 1 of the flyer, page 2, page 3. You can do it that way. Of course, pick your charity. Sorry, pick your category you want. This also is how you move a flyer from one category to another. If accidentally you've put a Mela and Outdoor event into adverts, you simply untick. You go back, you edit it, you simply untick it and then tick the right category and go to update or publish down there. That's how simple it is to move a flyer that has been put in the wrong category to the right category. Anyway, I'm going to select, as always, the right sidebar. What I'm going to do now is preview this so you can see that this has got multiple pages in it. That's the way you do it. Now I'm going to close this and go back. That's one way of doing it. The other way to do it is once you've added all your media, let's go back to the add media button, and then you can multiple select them. So select one, hold down the control key on the keyboard, select another one, select another one, select another one. So this was the 4 pages from the flyer, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That you see they appear at the bottom, 4 selected, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Insert that into post. It'll put all 4 in for you. Now remember, after every picture you insert, always push 2 returns. And you can add your text if there's any to add. And I'm going to now preview this again. As you can see, multiple pages in there with text. And I'm going to close this. Now, if you was happy with that, you'd select your feature image. This is just a recap how to do an entry. I'll pick that one, for example, set as feature image, nice and simple. I'll select the category, and now, if this was correct, hit publish, and that will go into Mela and Outdoor successfully with 2 and 3 pages of a flyer within it. That's how easy that is. To address other concerns you sent in your email, what I'm going to do is go to, if you ever want to edit any of the posts, I'm going to leave that page, I don't want to save that. What you can do is go to the category that you want that specific post is in, and just say there's a mistake on this one, there's 2 idiots. You'll notice that you've got a edit button there. Now, people can't see that edit button, only you can see it and I can see it. So if this is wrong text or wrong image or wrong feature image or in the wrong category, hit edit. It will now go into the post. And remember what I said earlier, just say this is in the wrong category. It's in plays and musicals, but it should be in religious. Untick religious. So untick plays and musical, click religious. Go down here, hit update, it will now jump into the right category. In regards to deleting flyers, just tell me which ones they are and delete them. You shouldn't need to delete anything. Also, I've opted not to use past events. There's no point. Let me go back to Past events is not a good idea. Not at all. What you want to do is just leave them in the category they're supposed to be in, and then you've got a history. Because if you delete them, as you can see, there's nothing to see. Special events has got quite a lot of flyers in there. Because they've all got dates on them, You really don't have to delete them. I don't see the point of deleting them or moving them into past events. It's really pointless because that's going somewhere else, which is not very good navigation idea. The past events are actually some of the events that I put in, which were before New Year's Eve 2012. These go back quite a few. Just leave the past events in the relevant categories so people can just scroll down and view them rather than having to go to past events. Putting things into a past events button is probably quite pointless. That's what, in my opinion. I do a lot of this, and that's just an extra click for no real reason. Also, I'm going to show you how to use the Facebook page. What you need to do is ensure that you either let me log into your Facebook and allow me to make you an admin of your page, or you add me and I'll show you how to do it. So here on Facebook, I've got it. I've got the page already loaded. This is so simple. So add a flyer, and I'm not going to bother putting any text in this one. To add a flyer, you go to photo or video, upload photo or video, choose a file, locate where your flyers are, go to choose, go to post. Sorry, my internet's a bit slow today. And there you go, it's posted it. It's that simple, nothing else to do. But I'm going to delete that because the gold frame is not relevant to your Facebook page. And that's how you use the Facebook page. You just add pictures like that. Real simple. As for the Twitter, again, you don't upload pictures to Twitter. Twitter's not used in that way. I will tell you about Twitter another time. Basically, Twitter tells people to go to your website through words, not through pictures. But as I said, I'll come around to that another time. But hopefully that will clear up some of the queries you actually sent me on the last email. Thank you.